With the amount of effort and diligence put into his dream of colonizing Mars, Elon Musk has once again taken one step forward towards his goal with the new SpaceX Mechazilla. Will it reach for the stars or will it come crashing down? Well, stick with me till the end of the video as we will tell you more about this exciting product. However, before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified about new videos from the channel. Now, a look into the new SpaceX Mechazilla. In case you guys couldn't tell, here are some brief details about SpaceX. SpaceX is an American space exploration technologies corporation that handles everything there is to do with space, such as manufacturing rockets, transportation of goods to space, and even handling communications. Also, very much like Tesla, the founder and CEO of the company is none other than Elon Musk himself. And his purpose for creating another massive corporation? Well, Elon Musk has his sights on the neighboring planet, Mars. With this company, Musk intends on reducing the price for space transportation to allow people to fly over to Mars to begin colonizing it and to create a city there. Anyways, in regard to SpaceX, the one thing that has been on everyone's lips is none other than the upcoming Mechazilla. The SpaceX Mechazilla is a giant robotic arm that functions as a catching mechanism. The reason why this machine was built was to help the Starship rocket, as it was designed to catch the ship and its super heavy booster as they return down to Earth. Back in January 2021, Elon Musk announced SpaceX's latest plan, which is to increase the number of flights that they can handle by drastically reducing turnaround time. And their method of making that into a reality is by utilizing the Mechazilla, of course. Now, as we all know, Elon Musk is well known for including references to science fiction in his company's products, and this time it's no different. On the 10th of April, the CEO of SpaceX took to his Twitter page to muse his thoughts about the Mechazilla's design. The Starship launch tower that catches the giant rocket booster is Mechazilla. All it needs is some legs. Because of that, there is proof to believe that the reason why Elon Musk decided to name his new groundbreaking project as the Mechazilla was actually to be referencing the character Mechagodzilla from the Godzilla movie franchise, a robotic version of Godzilla that squares off with the original in the 1974 film Godzilla vs. Mechagodzilla. This project is said to be one of the most ambitious in regard to a spaceflight project, as it is considered to be groundbreaking, and it is easy to see why SpaceX will try to catch the largest ever flying object with robot chopsticks. Musk joked as he made a post on his Twitter page on the 30th of August. Success is not guaranteed, but excitement is. How will the SpaceX Mechazilla work? While the plan for the Mechazilla has already been thought out, plenty of people began wondering to themselves how the Mechazilla was meant to function. With that, a user with a Twitter handle, ERCXSpace, made an animation video with his assumption as to how the SpaceX Mechazilla will function. First of all, it showcases a fully operational tower catching a spent super heavy booster and transferring it to the launch stand. The actuator arms then turn to grab onto another Starship and stack it on top of the Super Heavy. After watching the video, Elon Musk decided to respond to the post about how close he was in managing to picture how Musk envisioned his new project to function. It's pretty close. Booster and arms will move faster. The QD arm will steady booster for a shipmate, and the ship will be caught by Mechazilla too. As with booster, no landing legs. Those are only needed for the Moon and Mars until there is local infrastructure. He also added, "We're going to try to catch the super heavy booster with the launch tower arm, using the grid fin to take the load. Saves mass and cost of legs and enables immediate repositioning of booster onto the launch mount, ready to fly under an hour." From these tweets alone, it's astounding to see what Elon Musk is planning, as he promises a turnaround time of less than 1 hour, and he has also effectively confirmed that future rocket ships will also be retrieved by the same apparatus and others similar to it. Now, this plan all started with the ground crew at SpaceX's Texas launch facility near Boca Chica, and recently finished stacking the 9 sections of bolted steel that make up the tower, which now stands about 440 feet tall. With that done, the team decided to move on to the next step in their plan, which is to undergo the process of outfitting the tower with large actuator arms, hydraulic systems, fuel lines, and other components that will eventually turn it into the apparatus we call the Mechazilla. On the 30th of August, after installing the first Mechazilla arm, the Cutie swing arm, there were also additional details about SpaceX's Mechazilla that Musk pointed out on how it is meant to function. Firstly, the booster will likely use 2 pins for lifting and catching. After that, the ship is meant to sport something to flip out from the leeward side of the ship before tank treads on the arm of the Mechazilla will grab the booster out to line up with the orbital launch pad, allowing the rocket ship to be ready to fly once more. However, there were some notes that Musk had made which suggested that the finalized plans for the SpaceX Mechazilla were still ongoing and not completed yet. As he mentioned, perhaps it's better to modify grid fins to take more load. Anyways, as we all know, the Starship is a fully reusable rocket capable of sending over 100 tons or 100 people into space at a time. The ship is designed to support all of SpaceX's current missions while also paving the way for Elon Musk's more ambitious plans, such as creating a base on the Moon or a city on Mars. As the plan suggests, the Mechazilla was built to catch the rockets before proceeding to move it back into its original position onto the launch pad so that it may take off once more. This plan is very effective and would benefit SpaceX a ton, as it would allow them to reuse their rockets faster than ever before. Back in March 2020, Elon Musk said that he wants his Starship to be able to fly up to space at least 3 times per day. With Musk's goal of building a city on Mars by 2050, the fast turnaround time of the rocket might be something he might depend on highly, especially when it comes to sending off cargo up to space. As we all know, Elon Musk is a visionary and a futurist, as every new project that he comes up with will always align with his goals to benefit and help out humanity. That being said, there are reasons to believe that this won't be the only Mechazilla that will ever exist, as Elon Musk has hinted that there will be the second production of this machine after they have successfully colonized Mars. Twitter user C3LT_games wondered if there would be an eventual Mechazilla on Mars and if super heavy boosters might be built there for missions to outer solar system. And of course, Elon Musk responded to the question by saying yes on both counts. Anyways, despite all the hype and excitement surrounding the Mechazilla, it is unfortunately not near its completion yet, as on the 5th of August. Elon Musk tweeted a picture of the development of the Mechazilla and quickly made a reply to it. Mechazilla will do this for future rockets, but it's not quite ready yet. While there have been no official release date as to when the SpaceX Mechazilla will be officially done, Elon Musk has confirmed that the robot's first attempt will be used once they have launched the Booster 5. While that may be the case, it is safe to say that the whole world is buzzing around with excitement and the prospect of traveling up to space, and with the help of Mechazilla, their dreams may soon be coming true earlier than expected. So, what do you guys think about the new SpaceX Mechazilla? Do you think that this apparatus will exceed expectations, or do you think that it will end up as a flop as some people assumed it to be? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and make sure to leave a like on this video. See you next time.